Hey everyone, at COMPUTEX 2025, Acer showcased its ProCreator series of high-end monitors aimed at creative professionals who demand exceptional image fidelity, wide color accuracy, and productivity-focused features. Leading the lineup is the Acer ProCreator PE320QXT, a 31.5-inch IPS monitor with a stunning 6K resolution of 6016 by 3384. This display is tailored for professionals working in color-critical tasks thanks to its wide color gamut coverage of 99% Adobe and DCI-P3. It also boasts Visa Display HDR 600 certification, providing up to 600 nits of brightness. With viewing angles of 178 degrees and a response time of 4 milliseconds, this monitor is versatile for both content creation and general use. The PE320QXT also includes a built-in 8-megapixels webcam with an integrated microphone, multiple ports such as dual HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, USB Type-C with 90-watt charging, audio out, and 2 USB 3.2 ports. Sitting just below it in resolution, but still aiming at premium performance, is the PE270XT, a 27-inch monitor offering a 5K resolution of 5120 by 2880. It mirrors the larger model in most specs, including 99% Adobe RGB or DCI-P3 coverage, and the same range of I/O ports. With a brightness of 400 nits and a 4-millisecond response time, it's well-suited for editors and designers seeking a balance between screen space and desk footprint. It also includes the same 8-megapixels webcam and microphone array. A more gaming and motion-focused creative option is the PE320QXT, which introduces QD-OLED technology in a 31.5-inch form factor with 4K UHD resolution. This panel is ideal for professionals who want vibrant visuals with deep blacks and ultra-fast response times. It delivers full 10-bit color, covers 99% of sRGB and DCI-P3 color spaces, and reaches up to 240 Hz refresh rate. The QD-OLED panel is also Display HDR True Black 400 certified, and the monitor supports both AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and NVIDIA G-Sync for smooth visuals in dynamic content creation or gaming. Acer also introduced new portable monitors for on-the-go creators, led by the PE160WU, a 16-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 and a 120 Hz refresh rate. It supports 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and uses 8-bit plus FRC to simulate 10-bit color. With adaptive sync support and a 1-millisecond response time, this lightweight screen is ideal for professionals needing precise visuals in mobile settings. For less demanding tasks or secondary display use, the PD243YE is a 23.8-inch portable IPS monitor with full HD resolution and a 100 Hz refresh rate. Though it only covers 72% of the NTSC color gamut, it offers a serviceable 4-millisecond GTG response time and 250 nits of brightness. Acer also included the PD163QT, a 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen monitor with 60 Hz refresh rate, 72% NTSC coverage, and 250 nits brightness. Though not as vibrant as the OLED or 5K panels, it stands out for its interactive input and portability. Overall, Acer's ProCreator series highlights a commitment to meeting the diverse needs of creatives. From studio-grade 6K color-accurate monitors to ultra-portable OLED displays, all unified by excellent design, rich connectivity, and serious attention to visual precision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.